Hello everyone, thank you for watching TrvLrn with Jay. This is me Janeta and I'm back with another episode in a stock market series. So today in this video we are going to understand one of the most important analysis that is required while buying a particular stock. So before starting the video, I just wanted to check, hope you all are doing fine, you're staying indoors and taking all the necessary precautions that is required while stepping out. Hope you all are safe, take care of yourself. Let's start the video. As the thumbnail says, let us understand what is technical analysis. I will give you an example. Imagine you are on a vacation at a foreign country where everything including the language, culture, climate, food is new to you. So the day one, you do all the regular tourist activities and in the evening you are hungry. You want to have good food. So what you do, you ask around people and inquire about good restaurants to have your meal. So you get to know about a good famous food street over there. When you visit that particular place, you are surprised to see there are n numbers of stalls with different varieties of food. So in this particular situation, how will you make a decision on what to eat? So here we have two options available. Let me explain you both. What could be the option one? What you can do is visit the stall. You can check around and see what they are cooking, how they are cooking, what ingredients they are using. You can even try and taste it out. And then you can visit few more stalls and check out the same way. And then decide to eat at the one which you like the most. Now let's check out option 2. What you can do is you can stand in a corner and observe all the vendors and try to find out a vendor who is attracting the maximum crowd. So once you find out a particular vendor, you just make a simple assumption that he is making the best food as maximum crowd is getting attracted towards it. So then it's simple, you just go and eat at that particular stall. Now we have checked out both the options. Let's understand what is the difference and what are the advantages for both the options. In option 1, in this technique, you know exactly what you're eating as you have researched it on your own. However, is this possible in real life? It's not possible as there would be hundreds of vendors and you cannot check out each one of them. You can probably cover 4 to 5 and then you have to make a decision. In option 2, the advantage of option 2 is the scalability. In this one, you just need to spot a particular vendor who is attracting the maximum numbers of customers. And then you take a chance on the crowd's preference. However, on the other side, you just have to remember the crowd need not always be right. What I wanted to explain with this particular example is that option 1 is more similar to that of fundamental analysis, where you research about few companies thoroughly. We would explore fundamental analysis more in our future videos. Whereas option 2 is more similar to that of technical analysis, what was our topic today. So technical analysis is the one where one scans opportunities based on the market trend, the preference of the market. Technical analysis says the particular price movement of a stock. Every stock has a movement, has a trend, has pattern. So one needs to follow that particular pattern to understand if you want to buy a particular stock. So now you know what is technical analysis. You can always choose this particular option to buy a stock. Always study the price movement, the pattern of that particular stock before investing. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel TrvLrn with Jay. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye. Hit the subscribe button right now so that you get notification for all my future videos.